Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm gonna unbox this. This is the WINPLUS lithium jump starter portable power banks for smartphone. I did this unboxing before, but somehow I purchased on the Costco for around like $59.99, and then this one the seller was selling on eBay for $33.20. So I make an offer, best offer for $27.50. Well, actually, I offer $25, and then the seller counter offered me back $27.50. So I accepted. It says new, but the open box unit with the little to no sign of wear. Backed up by 60 days of worry-free guarantee. And it says may come with the aftermarket charger. So this is the 8,000 milliamp aluminum power bank jumpstart. Has a high output UL certified jumpstart with the smart cable protection, heavy duty aluminum case. Has a 2 USB port and fast charging of mobile and tablet device. One port is 2.1 amp and the second one is 1.0 amp. 8,000 milliamp high capacity power bank, recharges up to 1,000 times. 3 mode flashlight, on, strobe or SOS, overcharge, over discharge, and fuse protection, UL certified. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed. The charging time takes about 4 to 5 hours. And the jump start current is the 200 amp to 350 amps. Charging temperatures range from negative 4 degree Fahrenheit to 104 degree Fahrenheit. And the input voltage is 5 volt to amp. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed. As you can see, it's kind of ripped already. So come with this nothing inside a package. So it comes with this nice carrying case. Hopefully everything is in here. Let's see. Supposed to get the jumper, the USB cable, and then the adapter. What? This is the out of the market cable. So this is the WINPLUS. Probably most likely it's custom returns from Costco. So here are the instructions on how to jump your car. I previously made the video on how to jump the car already. So there's a scratch right there. So let's press the power and hopefully it's charged. So there you go. You got the flashlight, got the strobe light, and then the SOS light. So it is fully charged because you have 4 of the LED. So this is fully charged already. Press and hold it down to turn it off. So there are the flashlight right here, and then here are the two of the USB port. You got a 2.1 amp right there, and then 1 amp. And this is the input 5 volt 2 amp. And here is the connector for your jumper cables. It only fit in one direction. Here's the cable. And also come with this secret light adapter. So I need to connect this USB to your portable power bank. Oh shoot. Hope they give me the correct one. Yeah. So test this out, make sure it goes in. So it only goes with the one direction, okay? Ooh. And that you plug in, you got the green and then the red LED. Right, so that will indicate like if there's a problem or if it's ready to jump or not. Oh, I forgot to show you guys the polarity protection circuit status. If it makes no sound and then you got the green LED, that means okay to jump start. But if you got the red and then no sound, that means charge the power bank, so your battery is low. So if you got the blinking green and then the red, no sound, that means okay, charge power bank. And if you got the red flashing LED with the beeping, that means to disconnect. And if you have red and then a green, that's stays on, no sound, that means to disconnect or reset. And if you got the blank, no lights at all, and no sound, that means contact WINPLUS. You might have a problem with your units. Okay? And then this one has a reverse polarity protection, which is good. And then here's the instruction or user manual. So as you can see, it's flashing. That means it's below 5 volt. And if you got that one solid LED, that means 5 to 25%. If you have a 2 LED, that means 26 to 50%. If you got the 3 solid light, that means 51 to 76%. If you have 4 solid light, that means 76 to full. Okay. So this will come handy if you need to jump your car in case your battery dies out. Because I was having problem with one of the car that I tried to start, it won't start, and then my buddy he has the similar to this that he got on eBay, the white color, and then it fire up right away. So I figured I need another one for backup. All right. I mean, for $27.50, you cannot go wrong with this. But this is the first generation one. I believe the second generation is the one with the like a black casing. All right. Hopefully, you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button and then turn on the bell for notification or drop any comments on below. Thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always. Peace out.